to be talking about the build your own party script here. So check it out. So as you can see, this is going to be the PDF that's going to come with your build your own party script. So on the first page, you're going to get full instructions as well as what comes with your script. So what comes with your script? It comes with 30 to 40 themed graphics. It's actually a little bit more than 40. It's actually more like 45 plus. As well as banners for your Facebook party, group, or event, as well as blank themed graphics. So you can fully customize them and tailor them to your specific company and tailor them the way that you like. So if you scroll down, you'll also be able to see the suggested party format that we suggest for you to build your actual script. Now, with the build your own party scripts, there's no verbiage included. It's just the graphics, the banners, the blanks, and the suggested format. You'll have to come up with the verbiage yourself. So it gives you the freedom to really say what you want to say, however you want to say it. So if you want to have a lot of verbiage and super explanatory posts, you can do that. If you want to keep it simple, sweet, and to the point, you can do that as well. So you can really express yourself and who you are with this format. So as you can see with this suggested format, we're basically advertising for an in and out script. So this is going to be for the hostess that doesn't really want a week-long party. She wants to be in and out of the way, get it done, get her hostess rewards, and then just be on her way. So this is for that specific hostess. There is enough graphics for you to build a week-long party if you'd like, but this specific template is what we're suggesting for you. Just because it's 2021, and in 2021, not all hostesses are down or have the patience for a week-long party. So that's why we included our newest format, kind of get with the times and the trends. But again, you can do whatever you want. If you want to extend it 5 days, 7 days, 8 days, there's plenty of graphics for you to do so. All right, so now let's look at the actual graphics itself that comes with your build your own party script. So as you can see, there's well over 40 graphics in here. You're going to have the party script graphics. As you can probably see in here too, there's some blanks in here that you can customize and edit. Let me just open it up to make it a little bit bigger so you can kind of see. This specific theme is Luck of the Irish. As of right now, we have 10 themes. By the time you see this video, we might have more themes available. But as of March or February 2021, we have 10 themes available. So this is what the blanks look like. You've got games in here. You've got interaction post, party poll. You've got host bingo. You've got your customizable graphics. So your pre-made graphics. Here's your party shipping options. Who we are. So that's your company information that you can fully edit in Canva. Unless you want to use another photo editing app. We suggest Canva because it's fully customizable and their free option has plenty for you to customize with. And then you have these separate folders here. If you're a bag lady, you're going to have your specific product posts in there. If you're not a bag lady, then you're just going to have the graphics that you see here, as well as a folder for banners and deal or no deal. So the banners is going to be for your events and groups, and then the deal or no deal are going to be your customized deals for booking parties. So this is your booking party graphic sequence here. So this is something that you post in the party. Your customers pick a number, and then you actually edit this and add whatever prizes and discounts that you want to give for anybody who books a party. So that's how that part works. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. So excited you're checking us out. Thanks, y'all. Bye.